Hey guys, welcome back. Mel here. Today's look is going to be my New Year's Eve look. Loved how it turned out. Beautiful skin with sparkly liner on the lower lash line. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start with my eyes first. I'm using this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. I believe I got this at Marshall's. The name of it's Affirmation. None of the colors have any names, so I'm just setting my eyes with a nude shade in the palette. I'm also just going to zoom through my eyes because blend, blend, blend. I'm going to go in with this cool tone taupe color and just work it into my crease. I don't ever do a dark smoky eye on my eyes just because it doesn't look right on me. So I'm going to try for a soft smoky eye using these taupe colors and light grays. And I'm just really taking my time to work up to that. Going in with a gray and just deepening the crease in the outer V, just blending, blending, blending. Then taking a gray shade and working that into the outer V even more to add that depth to the outside of the eye. I kept going back and forth between colors just to find what color was working best for this look. So just taking those grays and deepening that outer corner, V shape. The main focus of this eye is going to be the glitter liner underneath, so I'm just sticking with a soft, smoky eye on the upper eyelid. Then I'm going in with a white shade in this palette and just putting it on the inner corner, spreading it onto the lid to give more dimension. And then I go in with a similar white shade, but this has shimmer, and just apply it to the same area just to give a little shimmer onto the lid. And then I'm just blending to make sure there's no harsh lines. Going in with this gray dark brown shade and deepening that outer V again. Again, I just took my time to build it up, that way it didn't turn out so dark for my eye color. Now I'm going in with this NYX Epic Ink Liner. It's a felt tip liner from them. It makes wings so easy to do, although I always struggle with wings just because I have shaky hands. But I'm just doing a medium-sized wing, and then I'm taking the liner all the way over the eyelid to the inner corner, since we will be applying false eyelashes. I'm going to use the House of Lashes Iconic Light False Lashes. These are great, up to 15 wears. I found these at Target. Super comfortable, lightweight. I love these. Next, I'm using my Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. I'm focusing that on the middle of my face where my pores mainly are. And then I'm going to go in with the Lumi Glow Lotion from L'Oreal, and I believe it's light medium, and focusing that on the outer perimeter of my face just to give some moisture. And then I totally forgot to do this before primer, but I just took a makeup wipe and cleaned up my eyes and sharpened that wing eyeliner. Going in with eye cream, always using the Olly Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream for my under eyes. They're always dry, especially the crow's feet. They get like red and really sore all the time. Next, I'm using the iconic London Original Glow Spray just to add some moisture to my face. The foundation we're using is one of my all-time favorites. This is probably my favorite of all time by Estee Lauder Double Wear in the shade 4N1 Shell Beige. This foundation is absolutely flawless. It is full coverage, but looks like skin. I don't know how they do it, but it is so comfortable. And even with my dry skin right now, it looks so good. It doesn't get cakey and it lasts forever. So this will be the last time using this foundation on my channel just because I am going cruelty-free in 2023. But I do love this foundation and I'm hoping to find one super similar. For cream bronzer, I'm using this Revlon ColorStay 5-in-1 Concealer in 076 Caramel for my cream bronzer. Then to deepen my contour a little, I'm using the E.L.F. Putty bronzer in Golden Daze. I went a little heavy on the bronzer today, but I fixed it in a bit. Then I accidentally did blush before concealer. I like to do concealer and then blush. But this is the E.L.F. Putty Blush in Turks and Caicos. These are so good. I love the formula. I will go back in and add the blush again after concealer. So I'm using the Born This Way by Too Faced concealer. This is my all-time favorite concealer. Then I took a small little brush and took some concealer on it just to sharpen up my bronzer areas, just to make it look a little cleaner and tone down that craziness. Going back in with that blush again. Again, I like to use my cream bronzer, concealer, and then my cream blush just so the concealer doesn't fade it all away. Now I'm setting everything with the E.L.F. HD Halo Powder. Been really liking this powder. And I'm using this cute little Beauty Blender powder puff. I set mainly my under eyes in the middle of my face and whatever's left over on the puff, and I just lightly press it on the rest of my face to set everything else. And then I'm just gonna do my eyebrows real quick. I'm gonna zoom through it. This is the ABH Brow Powder Duo. And then this is $1 Billion Brows Brow Pencil. Then I just set my brows with the NYX Stick It brow gel. This stuff's so good. Then just going back in with the eyeshadow palette, I took this color and buffed it under the lower lash line. I really didn't need to do this, but I did it anyways. Next, I'm going to use this silver liquid eyeshadow glitter. I found this at Target about a year ago. Honestly, it doesn't have the brand name on it at all, but you can take whatever sparkly liquid eyeliner you have. So I'm just doing on the lower lash line, and then I'm dragging it up underneath my wing. It was getting like caught in my eyelashes, but I just kept building it up. Now I'm just adding lower lash line mascara. Then I'm just gonna set my face with powder products. This is the Primer Infused Bronzer by E.L.F. And then this is Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio palette. I absolutely love this palette. I just mixed these two colors together just to set that cream blush. That palette is so good. And then for highlight, I'm using this Artist Couture Glow Powder. It's like a loose highlighter. This is in Coco Bling. This is a mini size, and I honestly love this. It's like this super pretty white sparkly highlighter. I just think it's so pretty for holidays. And the way it makes my nose look, I don't know what it does, but I love it. I also add this to the inner corner of the eye just to make my eyes look more awake and add more sparkle to the look. For lips, I'm using the NYX lip liner in the shade Natural just to line the lips. And then this is a mini Kylie liquid lip in the shade Candy K. I definitely gotta get some full-size lip products from her. I hear they're pretty good, and I do love these. Then I'm just setting my face with the Revolution Hydrate and Fix Radiant Setting Spray. And then the best part of the day, fan to set everything. Feels so nice. And then here we are. Here's the completed look. I honestly love how it turned out. Flawless skin and that pop of sparkle under the lower lash line. Absolutely loved it. And can't forget the New Year's head topper. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see y'all next time.